Hello, hello. Welcome in, my beautiful friends. It's Dion with the Blushing Mint. Thank you guys for stopping by today. I have finished her. I am so thrilled with how this journal turned out. This is my August design team project for Sweet Pea Curiosities, Marissa at Sweet Pea Curiosities, and I am featuring her Moments Pressed in Time Junk Journal Kit for this journal. And I am here to tell you the kit is fabulous and this journal is phenomenal. I am so proud of myself with this one. I literally love it. So let's go ahead without further ado and let's do a flip through of this gorgeous girl. Let me show you it in all of its forms. Front cover, side view. So this is where we have bound it here. Top, bottom, look at all the deliciousness, and the side. Let me shake it for you. You can't hardly but look at all that. Everything is just hanging off, and there is our back. So let's flip through her, my friends. All right, so on the front we have this removable topper. And I just have sari silk, just coffee dyed sari silk here as our closure. And this completely comes off, my friends. So this is just on a little loop here. And so that is completely removable. We're going to just set that aside while we flip through this journal. Then on the actual front cover, we have this doily pocket here with a little ephemera topper. I've got two of the little small journal tags here in the front, as well as one of the little envelopes that can be used. They can seal it up and tuck something into it, or it can be used as hidden journaling space. And then we have our words, A Quiet Hue of Then. Love this so much. Love this. All right, let's get this, make sure I'm in frame here. Then we open it up here. And I have a big tuck spot here. I actually have a couple other things I could tuck into here if I so desired. Not sure if I want to, but I did have a couple other things that could be tucked. We could tuck that, why not? This is just a piece of her ephemera, and I think it's from her receipts kit. And so we'll tuck that there. Then we've got our This Book Belongs To tag here. And I always include one of those in my journals. Then we've got just this little sweet piece of lace that I actually got from Marissa. Let's get you guys set up here straight, if at all possible, Dion. That would be great. The Soft Haze of Yesterday. And then, guys, I made these sweet little charms. I don't know if you can even see them. I just cut out pieces of the actual kit pages and used extra thick embossing glaze on them, went around them and covered them with gold paint, and added a little charm on top of that, and just tucked those right onto a whatever this is, eyelet, grommet eyelet, and just hung those there. Love that so much. Next one, we've got a big tuck spot, some coffee dyed trims. These are all vintage or antique trims. And then another one of those pages of Marissa's ephemera from, I want to say it's called her French Receipts or Receipts Kit. I will try to remember to link it below. A little check here. Extra journaling space there in that pocket. Love it. A faded photo of a vivid heart. And just look at all these extra trims and things on the edges here. Just gorgeous. I have added little bits of hand-done cello tape that I made. Just adds so much to a simple page. And where I've especially distressed, I've tried to make it look like maybe it was torn. This here is just clipped on. It's just a place where you can add some hidden journaling here. And we just clipped that on here with a little Tim Holtz bulldog clip. Paper Whisper from the Past. Love it. Tea, lace, and ink. And we've got another check in here, a little receipt tucked into this lace pocket, and another one of those envelopes that could be put together or just used as journaling. Some more trims from Marissa, and this is also a little tuck spot here that something could be tucked into. Look at that trim. Then we've got a key and a little charm dangle here. A tuck spot here, another receipt here from Marissa. And over here we have Soft as a Memory, Sweet as Time. We've got our little butterfly. It can be a tuck spot here as well. A little finger ruffle. Over here we have a belly band with one of the envelopes tucked into it. And then we have this beautiful image here with some cello tape. This one here is just a floating little tag. It could be a tuck spot. You could tuck something under there, some more of that cello tape. And we've got a clock and a little bead charm here, kind of signifying time, the essence of time here. This is the other side of that, and I just have it clipped here with a paper clip and a little of that polka dot sari. More cello tape, lots of journaling, lots and lots of opportunities for journaling in here. Another tag, and I've just distressed that out and distressed the back with that speckled egg. And then we have Sweet Remnants, and on the bottom of this we have another one of those charms that I created, and they look like little glass jewels. They're just, the camera is not going to do them justice, but they're beautiful. And then a little bead charm here. The Charm of the Imperfect, and this is just a big tuck spot here. More cello tape. Lots of journaling right here. Tons of opportunity to journal. And here, this is just a flip open, lots of hidden journaling here, tons and tons of opportunity to journal here. Also, we have the husband and his wife here. And then I just have a little paper clip here that I've got some little sari tucked onto. And this just helps it to stay closed, but doesn't impede any of the hinging of the movement of the journal at all. This here is just another set of journaling tags that are clipped here with the Tim Holtz clip. Right there. More cello tape, and then we have a gentle pause, and each of these just has this Swiss dot tool and cello tape. And here we have a lady's keepsake, and this is a decorated paper sack, and in here I've got a little check that goes in the third pocket. We've got this sweet little baby photo here in the main pocket of the sack. Maybe. And then in the front, we've got the picture of the mom or the grandma. Love it. Love that so much in that big lace pocket. Over here, another just extra layered tag and another one of those envelope flips. Again, lots and lots of laces and charms and trims. Then we've got a key and another charm dangle there. Then journaling space, cello tape. This is a side tuck, and we've tucked in another one of those old checks. And we have Linger Here Where Memories Bloom. Love this. Then we have the Soft Haze of Yesterday. This is a belly band here, and we just got another check tucked up in there. I think did I try to tuck this one in here and it didn't fit? I feel like I tried. Yep. So this one goes here. Then we have another little doily tuck spot here. Cello tape, a beautiful photo. That doesn't work. Love. Over here, we've got the other side of that lace doily as a tuck. And some more little cello tape adding decoration there. We have an envelope here, extra journaling space, more trims from Marissa here, and we have faded edges. I don't want to cover up her face. I just don't want to cover up her face. She's just too sweet, and I just don't want to cover her face. I don't want to cover any of it, so we will leave that out because that works just fine. And then, whoops, we have just a big page, Wanderings of Another Time, and that's just an extra journaling here. We have another little tag flip here with some more trims from Marissa here, and a little bit of cello tape there for detail. More journaling, beautiful journal page. Another like just free floating tag there. I don't really want to cover anything up. I don't want to cover anything up. It's just so beautiful. Quiet Moments, Softly Remembered. This can be a tuck. You can tuck something up into there. And then this is another one of our little charms here that we made. Embossed charms, and then a charm there as well. And then on the back we have Gentle Moments Folded Away, Letters in Dust and Lace. And this is a pocket here. So this is a pocket here. And then it tucks right into there. And then we've got a journaling card here and another one of those receipts here, tucked up into there. And then on the back page, we have my little calling card to say that I made that. And it's a uniquely handmade limited edition, 1 of 1. And then this is still great journaling space here. And then we have our back, just like so. Friends, there she is. There she is in all of her gorgeousness glory. And she is available for purchase if you are interested. Just comment below and let me know. But yes, she is stunning, stunning. This is Moments Pressed in Time. And I just don't even know what to say about her. Please let me know what you think of her in the comments. Tell me what you think. I'd love to have your feedback on her. I think she's fabulous, and I hope you do too. All right, friends, I hope you enjoyed this journal. I hope you enjoyed my process of creating this journal. And until next time, friends, take care, be well, and I'll look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye-bye.